Hello, young artists! Today, we're about to embark on a fruity adventure. Can you guess what we'll be drawing? That's right, a delightful fruit plate. Get your markers ready because it's time to add some fruity fun to our canvas. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's start by drawing a lovely, juicy apple. Now, let's give our apple some personality. How about we add eyes and a playful mouth? Next up, a scrumptious strawberry. Let's capture that sweet, heart-shaped berry. And what's better than one cherry? A pear. Let's draw two cherries side by side. Now, to hold our fruity ensemble, let's sketch a plate. Two circles, one inside the other. And no fruity feast is complete without tools. A knife and a fork on either side of the plate. Voila! Our fruity masterpiece is complete. Now, let's intensify those outlines, making them bold and sharp with our trusty black marker. And now, the moment we've been waiting for, it's coloring time. Are you ready to name some colors? Purple, indigo, blue, bottle green, green, yellow, orange, red, pink, brown, bottle green color. Green color. Red color. Again, red color. Red color once more. Yellow color. Blue color. color. Purple color. Look at our amazing fruit plate. I'm so impressed by your creativity. Remember, keep exploring and sharing your wonderful artwork with us. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring new flavors, and enjoy your fruity adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.